we're making dinner. Stientje is doing a cucumber salad. We shredded it. And then we did white vinegar, honey. This is honey. And a Dijon spicy mustard. And this is the sauce to put in the cucumbers. And then we are making curry chicken with salad. There's Stientje. Hi, Stientje. And she is going to make a dressing for the salad. Stientje, what are you putting in the dressing? You do mayonnaise?
Yeah. I will make it in this. Look, I throw this.
Okay, you drain all of the juice.
Yeah, I drain the juice. Otherwise, it's not so tasty.
Okay, that's important.
Yeah, so, you see? Okay. Remove all this honey.
Okay. Okay.
And then you get a sweet sour cucumber.
Sorry. And there it is. Voila. And what do you call it in Dutch?
I don't know.
Stientje's creation.
Okay. Make a sauce dressing for the
Salad.
salad. Okay. Let's see.
Mayonnaise.
We got a lot of salad, so we make a lot of dressing.
This is the salad. 2 bags she bought. Oh, and my Fanta. Okay.
Okay.
So mayonnaise.
Yes. Ginger syrup.
What is it? Ginger
Ginger.
syrup?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't
Syrup.
think we have that at home.
Okay.
It's like a honey with ginger.
It's ginger.
Okay, I'll have to go to the Korean market to see if they have that.
Organic balsamico cream.
Yeah, that's what you said. Okay, so it's like a thick balsamic vinegar.
It's thick. Okay. And then you can use apple juice, you can use fresh orange. I prefer fresh orange.
Okay, so instead
Or
of eating
mango juice is great.
really good. So
Yeah.
some type of citrusy juice or mango or apple or
Yeah,
orange.
what you want, grape. You can use grape. It's also delicious.
Any juice. Oh, yum.
So,
This dressing is to die for. And we will mix that into the greens.
yep. Is this almost finished?
Yes, I turned it off.
We can do this.
Okay, so I'm going to turn this off so we can finish our curry chicken with rice.